In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money on the Bendigo bank. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Transferring money from your Bendigo bank account to any other Bendigo bank account or an external financial institution is a super simple process. You must do it through the latest version of their mobile app. So go into the Play Store or the App Store, look for the Bendigo Bank mobile app, and if you haven't signed up to use their mobile banking app yet, you will be able to sign in using your bank credentials. Once you are approved to use their mobile banking services, on the home screen of their app after signing in, you will find the option to move money on the menu at the bottom of your screen, or you can click transfer or pay anyone under any account that you see on the home screen. Regardless of which option you pick, this will bring up the usual transfer options. You will be able to include the account number, routing number, BSB, any information regarding the person that you are transferring money to, and you can choose the source of this transfer, so browse between your accounts. You can input the amount, and as long as you have the necessary amount of funds on the specific source account that you selected, you will be able to make this transfer directly through the app. You can repeat it as many times as you wish with as many accounts as you have. All that you have to do is use the Move Money function that you can find on the menu at the bottom of your screen, or tap Transfer or Pay Anyone under any of your specific Bendigo bank accounts. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, some things to check are if you have the latest version of the app, if your account is properly verified and ready to use, and if your funds are on the account that you selected. If for some reason you double checked all the credentials, including the recipient that you are transferring money to, and the transfer still doesn't work, the best course of action is to talk to their customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money on the Bendigo bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.